Hey guys, today we're gonna make a floating water fountain. It's going to be floating. This is what we're going to make. This. It's a big floating water fountain. Okay, what do? You break these. You can go on it's on Mindcraft. You can build it. You can build it on creative or survival. You can have any block. It can be to a mountain too. Well, you break these. If it's a flat world, go all the way 3 down here. Then this. I need to break one over. If it doesn't show up in the middle, just break one over. That's what always happens to me. Wait, where's the middle again? I think I need to break this one too. Break another one if it doesn't show up in the middle, just a line. Turning night down. I have to go to sleep after this. Well, you see the middle now. Any block, but I'm gonna use this one. Okay, it's getting pretty high. It's supposed to. You can do it as high as you want. Everybody, do you know how fun it is breaking blocks? Well, it is gonna be pretty fun because this won't take a long time. It doesn't do what you think it's gonna do because it doesn't really take a long time. You see this? Not taking a really long time. Oh, it's auto-saving. Let it auto-save. Yeah, let it auto-save. I'll make it go fast. Okay. After that, you go to the block up there. You pour a water bucket on the block. You do that. Dad, don't undo it because I have to do these sides and stuff. You can stop moving, cows. Let it drip down here. After when it's done there. After when it's out. Do the sides. Dad, don't do it yet. Do these sides. That always happens to me. Always. I made other ones that always happened to me. It took a while. I did this, you do it, like that, and then there we go. Daddy, look it at me, now point it at me, and then you have to see. I'm the one that's making it. This is what it really looks like when it's done. It looks pretty cool. It's a floating water fountain, and that's how you make a floating water fountain. Goodbye.